The Maverick has his ears to the ground this evening, listening for any kind of discrepancy or controversy or any kind of drama coming out of the Reggae Boyz camp in El Salvador. So far, so good. We're not hearing about any players pulling out of the squad, no niggling injuries or any kind of personal issues. So it appears it is all systems go. But you know the Maverick are ready. I have to ask the tough questions. Now, why did it take Jamaica 6 games and us giving up 13 of a possible 18 points before settling down? We are about to play game number 7 in El Salvador and game number 8 against USA in Jamaica. And it looked like Jamaica team just a settle. We finally have all our players and will be in a position to play our best possible team. Word emerging is that the vibes in the camp is very good. Yes. No quarreling, no infighting, no division. The team is fully united. And this is almost halfway through the qualifiers. Now why we have to wait so long to do this? Anyway, better late than never. Yes. And the Maverick, no, me not take no chance. Me still have my ears to the ground. Yes. Trying to find out, make sure say everything all right. Let me try the other ears. You see me? I'm not hearing.